What if I told you that complex budgets are why most people fail at managing money? Everyone tries to budget. Detailed spreadsheets, multiple categories, tracking every single expense. And most people quit within a month. Not because they're bad with money or lack financial discipline, but because they're using a system that's too complicated to maintain. Budgeting doesn't require tracking 47 different spending categories. It requires one simple rule that's impossible to mess up. People who successfully manage money long-term don't have more willpower. They have simpler systems. Today, you're going to learn why traditional budgeting fails, what the simple budget rule is, and how to implement a financial system so easy you'll actually stick to it for decades. Let's be clear, traditional budgeting advice is broken. Here's why most people fail. Problem 1. It's too complicated. You're told to track every expense across dozens of categories: groceries, gas, entertainment, dining out, utilities, subscriptions, clothing, gifts, and on and on. Week 1 feels manageable. Week 3, you forget to log transactions. Week 5, you've completely abandoned it. Complexity kills consistency. Your budget shouldn't require a part-time job to maintain. Problem 2. It requires perfect information. Traditional budgets assume you know exactly what you'll spend in each category, but life is unpredictable. Your car needs repairs, a friend's wedding comes up, medical expenses appear. You exceed your categories, feel like a failure, and quit entirely. Problem 3. It focuses on restriction, not direction. Traditional budgets feel like deprivation. You can only spend $200 on entertainment this month. This scarcity mindset creates resentment. You feel controlled by your own rules. Eventually, you rebel against your own rules. The budget becomes the enemy. Problem 4. It treats all money equally. Traditional budgets make you choose between saving for retirement and going to dinner with friends. Everything competes with everything else. Every purchase feels like a sacrifice from something else. This creates decision fatigue and guilt around spending. Problem 5. It requires constant monitoring. You need to check your budget daily or weekly, categorize transactions, adjust forecasts, reconcile accounts. This works for the 2% of people who find spreadsheets relaxing. For everyone else, it's exhausting. The shift? Stop trying to control every dollar. Start with one simple rule that automatically directs your money to where it needs to go. Here's the rule that changes everything. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's brilliantly simple. The rule: 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs, 30% of your after-tax income goes to wants, 20% of your after-tax income goes to savings and debt. That's it. 3 categories, not 37. Breaking down each category. Needs, 50%. Housing, rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance. Minimum debt payments. These are expenses required for basic living. If eliminating it would make your life genuinely difficult or impossible, it's a need. Wants, 30%. Dining out, entertainment, hobbies, vacations, subscriptions, non-essential upgrades. These are things that improve your life but aren't required for survival. You get to enjoy life. That's the point. Savings and debt, 20%. Emergency fund, retirement contributions, investments, extra debt payments beyond minimums, future large purchases. This is your future security. Pay yourself first by treating savings like a bill. Why this works? It's simple enough to maintain forever. It gives you clear financial priorities without micromanagement. It allows guilt-free spending within boundaries. It automatically builds wealth without feeling deprived. The math example. If you earn $4,000 per month after taxes, $2,000 to needs, $1,200 to wants, $800 to savings and debt. You don't track every coffee. You just ensure you're hitting these 3 targets each month. The principle? Simplicity scales. Complex budgets work for weeks, simple budgets work for decades. Here's what changes when you use this rule. Traditional budgeting mindset: can I afford this? Should I feel guilty about wanting it? 50-30-20 mindset: I've taken care of my needs and my future. Now I can enjoy my wants without guilt. The identity transformation. Traditional budgeting thinking: I need to restrict myself. I'm bad with money. Every purchase is a potential mistake. This creates anxiety and shame around spending. 50-30-20 thinking: I've taken care of everything, my present needs, my current enjoyment, and my future security. One creates resentment, the other creates balance. You're not restricting yourself, you're directing yourself. That's the fundamental shift. Ready to implement this? Here's your step-by-step framework. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Add up all money you receive after taxes: salary or wages, side income, any other regular income. This is your starting number. All percentages come from this. Step 2. Set up 3 separate accounts. This is the secret that makes it effortless. Account 1, needs account, checking. Account 2, wants account, checking. Account 3, savings account, high-yield savings account or investment account. Separation prevents borrowing between categories. Step 3, automate the split. Set up automatic transfers on payday: 50% to needs account, 30% to wants account, 20% to savings account. Automation removes willpower from the equation. The money goes where it should before you can interfere. Step 4, pay your bills from the right accounts: needs expenses, rent, utilities, groceries, to wants account. Wants expenses, restaurants, entertainment. You'll immediately see when you're running low in a category. Step 5, adjust if your percentages don't work yet. If your needs exceed 50%, you have 3 options. Option A, reduce needs: cheaper housing, refinance debt, cut unnecessary needs. Option B, increase income: side hustle, raise, better job. Option C, temporarily adjust ratios while you work towards the ideal. The goal is to trend towards 50-30-20, even if you can't hit it immediately. Step 6, review monthly, not daily. Once a month, check. Did my needs stay under 50%? Did I enjoy my wants guilt-free? Did I save my 20%? That's it. No daily tracking, no categorizing every transaction, just a monthly check-in. Step 7, increase savings as income grows. When you get a raise, don't inflate your lifestyle proportionally. Instead, keep needs and wants roughly the same and increase savings beyond 20%. This is how wealth accelerates over time. Let's see how this works across different income levels. Example 1, $3,000 per month after taxes, $36,000 per year. Needs, $1,500. Rent, $800. Utilities, $100. Groceries, $300. Transportation, $200. Insurance, $100. Wants, $900. Dining out, entertainment, hobbies, subscriptions. Savings, $600. Emergency fund building, then retirement. Challenge: needs might exceed 50% at this income. Focus on increasing income or finding roommates to reduce housing costs. Result: even at lower income, saving $600 per month is $7,200 per year. In 10 years with modest returns, that's over $90,000. Example 2, $5,000 per month after taxes, $60,000 per year. Needs, $2,500. Mortgage, $1,200. Utilities, $150. Groceries, $400. Transportation, $300. Insurance, $200. Minimum debt payments, $250. Wants, $1,500. Comfortable lifestyle, regular dining out, hobbies, small vacations. Savings, $1,000. Emergency fund, 401k contributions, paying extra on debt. Result: living comfortably while building wealth. After emergency fund, $1,000 per month towards retirement compounds significantly over decades. Example 3, $8,000 per month after taxes, $96,000 per year.
Needs, $4,500. Nice apartment or house, quality groceries, reliable car, good insurance. Wants, $2,400. Regular dining, travel, entertainment, hobbies, guilt-free enjoyment. Savings, $1,600. Maxing retirement accounts, building investment portfolio. Result, high quality of life while saving $19,200 per year. Financial freedom becomes realistic within 15 to 20 years. Example 4. $12,000 per month after taxes, $144,000 per year. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of 50-30-20, needs $4,500, 38%, needs don't scale proportionally with income. Wants $3,000, 25%, comfortable but not inflated lifestyle. Savings $4,500, 37%. Wealth builds rapidly.
Here's the ultimate truth about budgeting. The best financial plan isn't the most sophisticated one. It's the one you'll actually follow for decades. Complex budgets work for finance enthusiasts. Simple rules work for everyone else. And since the goal is long-term wealth, not short-term perfection, simple wins. The paradox. When you simplify to 3 categories, you often make better financial decisions than when tracking 30 categories. Because you can actually see the big picture. You know exactly where your money goes. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% future. That's not restriction, that's balance. You're not sacrificing today for tomorrow or tomorrow for today. You're funding both. Starting next paycheck, set up those 3 accounts. Automate the split, let the system run. Check monthly, not daily. Adjust annually, not constantly. The budget that works isn't the most detailed one. It's the one that fades into the background while quietly building wealth. Stop tracking every transaction like a forensic accountant. Start directing money to 3 destinations like a financial architect. Make it so simple you can't fail. Then let compound interest do the rest. Your financial future doesn't need complexity. It needs consistency. Build a simple system, follow it for decades, watch wealth compound. The 50-30-20 rule, simple enough to maintain forever, powerful enough to transform your life. That's not just a budget, that's financial freedom.